Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andy Maulana Fajil Rahmatullah. So this is my creative business plan, and my creative business plan is about the augmented reality in MSMH. The name is the Dreamscape. Augmented reality is the technology that combines computer-generated digital content with the real world seen in the real time. In the other words, augmented reality allows users to see two-dimension and the three-dimension virtual object project on top of the real world in this era. The boundaries between the digital and physical worlds are increasingly difficult to distinguish. How an augmented reality works. The devices used in augmented reality or AR technology are the simpler because they can be accessed without the special equipment. By simply using the smartphone that can capture the real environment around us. This technology can be brought to live. To engage the experience further, transparent are the headsets can be used. One example of the augmented reality device in the Google Glass, this product designer the display digital over its right and front of the users. Augmented reality helps us to engage in user interaction, transforming the shopping experience by enabling relator to create immersive experience for users. This is the lens of the augmented trends to be considered in 2024, whether it is the virtual fitting the rooms of augmented reality lens that allow user to try on shoes, clothes, makeup, glasses, and other accessories, especially in MSMA, augmented reality has opened up an entirely new way of the shopping. All of the time when the world needs it from high-end global fashion brands like Gucci, Homer One, brand like the Mama Earths and My Glams, all the adopting augmented reality to offer unique and personalized shopping experience with augmented reality support. Okay, the next. This is my strategy to protect intellectual property that use the augmented reality or ER in the creative industry can have the significant impact and open up new opportunities for the business in this sector. The first one step is the invention patterns. AR development involves process, method, or system that are new and meets the requirements. Therefore, I will process the licensing requirements by applying for an innovation patterns, influence patterns, protect technical aspect of the augmented reality such as the algorithms tracking technique or image rendering process. The step two is the intellectual property. I, IP can be used to protect creative works such as the source code, visual content, including by image, video animation, and audio content used in augmented reality. Copyright is automatically owned by the creator when the work is created in a thinkable form. The next step is the design patterns. The augmented reality I am developing has a new and unique design in the future, such as the user interface icons or the visual elements. I will apply of the design patterns. Design patterns protect the visual and aesthetic approach of augmented reality. The next, the problem in augmented reality in MSMA. The first one is the high initial investment cost. Developing and implementing augmented reality technology in a creative business can require significant digital investment. This is include costs for hardware such as the phones, augmented reality glass, software application development, and human research skill or technology. The next is requirement of the technical skills. To develop and maintain quality and experience, creative business need employees with a specific technical skill, such as augmented reality developers, 3D designer, and augmented reality technology. Recruiting and the training that right talent can be challenged. The third is the privacy and security issue. Augmented reality or ER can provide privacy and security protection. For the MSME, the use of augmented reality might pose of the risk lacking sensitive data, such as the customer information or the business secrets. This is micro-narrative problem-solving technique. From the problem number 1 is the high initial investment costs. We can use the crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is inviting the public and stakeholder to contribute to the development of the augmented reality solution through the crowdfunding platform. And the second one, and the next is the strategy partnership. The strategy partnership look of the partners such as university of the technology companies to share the development and implementation costs. The next is the rental subscription model. Offer augmented reality solution with the monthly rental of subscription model so that MSME do not need to pay large to cost of the front. And from problem number 2, I get the third point. The one is the in-house training, organization internal training to improve employee skill and using the developing augmented reality solution. Collaboration with the community is the one important thing to make it collaborative with augmented reality community or the technology startup to get expert help and share the knowledge. The next is plug and play augmented reality solution, looking for augmented reality solution that are easy, yes, to do not require advanced the technical skill. From the problem number 2, data, I have the third concept about the problem solving technique. The first one is data encryption. Data encryption implements end-to-end encryption to protect sensitive data used in augmented reality solution. And the second one is usage policy. Establish clear the policies and guidance for user regarding the use of augmented reality solution, including access right and data protection. The last is security certification. Choosing an augmented reality solution that meets the industry recognized security and privacy standard. By applying this creative technique, MSME can overcome various challenges in adopting the technology and utilize safety and effectiveness. This is the latest canvas, including by problem, customer segments, unique value proposition and solution, and revenue streams. The problem in this idea is the MSME traders have the difficulty attracting interest and interacting with the consumer in an attracting way. And then the conventional buying and selling process is still less interactive and innovative. But the solution, mobile application that is the integrates with the augmented reality system, display MSME traders product and virtuality. And the digital payment integration to make the transaction is easier. The next is the customer segment. Thus, MSME traders who want to increase sales and consumer shopping experience by the consumers who want more the interactive and innovative shopping experience. The next is the unique value proposition, providing augmented reality or ER solution that enable MSME traders to display product virtuality and interact with the consumer in integrating way. The differentiative, the buying and selling process for MSME traders from the competitor with the touch innovative the technology. Revenue stream, revenue from the subscription fees of the application use licensed by MSME traders. Revenue from the additional features or the premium package with the application. Income from the commission for everyday transaction made through the application. The next is the channel offering mobile application to MSME traders through the promotion and collaboration with the MSME community. And then the promote application to consumer through the digital advertising, social media, and collaboration with the e-commerce. The K metric. Next is the K metric, the number of MSME traders who use the application, adoption level, and user effective activity MSME traders and consumer. User satisfaction and feedback level can make the transaction value and revenue generated through the application. The cost structure, cost of the developing and the maintaining mobile application and augmented reality system have the marketing and promotional costs to reach MSME traders and consumer. Operational costs including employee, salary, and infrastructure. Unfair advantage The team's experience in augmented reality application development in proven to be effective networks and partnership with the strong MSME community. Experience in understanding market and consumer needs is the MSME sector. This is my business model Canva. I have the key partners by partnership with SME associates and government for the distribution and adoption. And the next I have the key activity, developing and maintenance of user-friendly and integrates augmented reality platform. And the next is value proposition, enhance the customer shopping experience through the feature and such as the 3D product visualization, virtuality, try-on, and interactive guides. And the customer relationship, providing technical support and the training for the MSME to integrate and utilize or the solution. From the customer segment, lower and middle class people who have the MSME business in various sectors such as the trade, production, and the service. And the key research, experience, augmented reality development team, reliable and innovative augmented reality technology software platform and APA. And the next is the channel. Mobile application integrates with the MSME platform with the partnership with MSME associates and the government for distribution and adoption. The cost structure, augmented reality, platform development, and the maintenance cost, integration, implementation, and technical support costs for MSME. Revenue streams, per monthly or annual subscription model for the MSME to access the platform. And the next media platform relevant. In this media platform relevant, iOS and Android, the platform like iOS and Android are the highly relevant choices for the augmented reality application. The majority of user access content and application through their mobile device. And then we also make a social media to have platform, the media platform very relevant is the social media, because social media platforms such as the Instagram, X, and TikTok have the adopted augmented reality features in the form of the augmented reality filters and lenses. Okay, from the target market in here, exactly this augmented reality have the big market from the MSME entrepreneurship. Augmented reality can be innovative and powerful tool for MSME to attract customer interest and increase sales conservation. And then the next is the lower middle class consumer. In terms of demographics, middle to upper class, consumer with the higher purchasing power may be more open trying augmented reality technology, especially it is associated with the luxury or exclusive products. Okay, the next is thank you. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.